Now that you have clicked on this video, I can assure you that you are going to ace the game of posing. Hey everyone, my name is Kohl Karmakar. Welcome back to my channel. I love clicking self-portraits, and in today's video, I'm going to share 5 tips on how you can pose better next time and some common mistakes that you are not going to repeat. Let's begin. Number 1, don't slouch. No matter whether you're standing or sitting, don't slouch. Keep your back and shoulders straight. And no, it's not a sign of masculinity. It's a sign of a confident girl that you are. Number 2, hand poses are equally important. Not making use of those beautiful hands is a big no. Also, it's a sign of underconfidence. The basic pose to correct this is to place your hands on your waist. I like to go for the inverted hands. This will make it look less fake and more confident.
Apart from your waist, you can place your hand on thighs, hair, shoulder, any random part, air. Hold something in your hands, neck, but be gentle. Which brings me to the next point.
Number 3, don't press anything against anything. I know it sounds weird, but hear me out. Often in the name of posing, we press our body parts like hands, arms, thighs against things like our face, our body, or the surface, which actually makes it look bigger, and we don't want it. Instead, just lift your body a little bit and it won't appear as thick as before.
Instead of pressing your hands against your face too hard, place it gently.
Number 4, create curves. If you press your arms against your body, you are hiding those curves. Create some space in between. Also for the legs, when you're standing, cross it to make it look more curvier, and when you're sitting, let's say on stairs, then have some space in between to make it look longer.
Putting weight on the leg at the back is a good way of enhancing curves.
Another way to give definition to those curves is angles, which brings me to the next point. Number 5, angles are important. Tilt 45 degrees. Show your favorite side. Low angle will make you look taller and vice versa. The far you are from the camera, the slimmer you will look, and vice versa. Play with angles to create something new, something fresh. Also, these are some basic guidelines to help you, and they are not the rule book you have to swear by. You can always break the rules to create something new, to create something unique, your style. And last but not the least, like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye.